need a friend.
We're here with Teresa Blevins and her guide dog. We're here at the Solidarity Rally today doing the Guide Dogs of America display here in Daleville, Alabama. They've asked me to come and set up the Guide Dogs of America display here at Daleville. So we're doing that. Teresa Blevins here with her guide dog, and she's just letting people meet her guide dog. Teresa came back from Guide Dogs of America in January, and she's just out here visiting with us. We're thankful that she came to be with us and to share her guide dog with everybody else, and just glad to have her visiting with us at the Guide Dogs of America display here in Daleville, Alabama. We're here all day. We're going to be here from started at 10 o'clock this morning. As you can look around, we've got quite a few people here already. Lots of things to do for the people. This is a solidarity rally for IAM Local Lodge 2003 here in Daleville, Alabama. My home local, some little over close to 5,000 strong here in Daleville. So we're just having a good time. Got a lot of things for people to do here, and getting a lot of good visits at the Guide Dogs of America display here in Daleville. People coming out and visiting us and donating to Guide Dogs of America. And so we're just having a great day. We're just getting kicked off today. Just getting started, having a great day, and thank you for watching these videos. We'll have a little bit more here in just a little bit.
That was cute.
There's Liberty enjoying the day, Teresa's guide dog. She's having a great day out here with us too. Alright, Teresa Blevins is here with us today, visiting with us at the Guide Dogs of America display here at the IAM Local Lodge 2003 Solidarity Rally. And Teresa, we're glad you came out to be with us, and you just got back from Guide Dogs of America about a month ago now, a little over a month ago. And I know having your guide dog has been a real blessing to you. I know y'all are still in some training and everything. And I want to thank you for coming out and being with us. Share with us a little bit about your experience at Guide Dogs of America and what you've been able to accomplish since you got back.
Well, being there, I was just inspired about being around so many people that were dedicated to their job and getting people guide dogs. Because since I've had my guide dog, she has taken me everywhere I needed to go. She finds things for me, doors, seats, elevators. I can go shopping now with her. It's just been a blessing to just have her with me and just being able to do things without having to run into walls or run into people. Now she guides and takes me around her. So it's just been amazing, and the school was just wonderful. You have one-on-one instructing, and they just teach you everything that you need to know to have a guide dog, and it's just been amazing.
Great, great. And Teresa is an IAM member also. Something about Teresa, she gave contributions to Guide Dogs of America while she was at work and still doing it, and she's been able to receive the blessings from those contributions. Guide Dogs of America is such a wonderful program, and it helps so many people. Get involved with Guide Dogs of America in your area. It's your local. If you need more information about Guide Dogs of America, you can go to www.guidedogsofamerica.org, or you can contact me, 334-406-2683. We do these events in a lot of different places, and just thank y'all for watching these videos.